Welcome back to Skibbity Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest, safest, and most reliable method to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad. No PC required, no jailbreak needed, no revoke issues. And yes, this method is working even on the latest iOS 26.4, and I'm personally testing it right now on my iPad running iOS 18.5. This video is proudly sponsored by FlekStore. If you want a smooth, stable, and revoke-free sideloading experience, FlekStore is honestly one of the best platforms available right now. And here's the best part. If you purchase a certificate using the link in the description, you'll get 2 months of premium access for free, so make sure to check that out. Alright, let's get started. First, download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Safari on your iPhone or iPad and head over to the FlekStore website using the link in the description. Then simply hit on Get. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to install FlekStore on your iOS device. Now that FlekStore is installed, open it up and then hit on Device option. Then hit on Add Device, and then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install downloaded profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open FlekStore again, and then hit on the Device option again. And now simply choose the certificate plan. And then complete the purchase once you purchase the certificate. Now let me show you how you can install IPA files in your iPhone or iPad. Now hit on Apps option, and then search for Live Container. This is the powerful tool we're going to use to install and run IPA files on your iOS device. Then simply hit on Sign App, and then hit Install to install Live Container in your iPhone or iPad. Once Live Container is installed, now open Live Container. And you will see that your purchased FlekStore certificate will be imported into Live Container. Now hit on Apps option, and then hit on the plus sign. And then hit on Install IPA file. Now simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Within seconds, the app will be installed and ready to use. So yeah guys, that's how you can install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without revoke, without PC, and without jailbreak. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe for more iOS tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.